Alright guys, so today I'm jacking up the Subaru. We already got the back done. Just about to move on to the front. Here's the coilovers. This is the front struts. It's got a little bit of back camber. I think that's because the wagon arms are a little bit shorter than sedan arms, but we'll see once everything's all put together. Or anything, but it's done. So here we go. Huge shout out to Tyler for helping me out. Got through some WRX fenders on there. We picked these up for 50 bucks. They're pretty rough, but it's alright. Took the side skirts off. Didn't take the back bumper off. It got a little bit more tricky when we wanted. But yeah, it's pretty rad. For the front, I had to disconnect the sway bar. When we did it on Tyler's sedan, it wasn't a problem, but it seems like on the wagon, the lower control arms are a bit shorter, and to get the angle that we needed to get the strut down, or to get the whole hub assembly down far enough, we needed to disconnect the sway bar, so we did that. And yeah, so it's all put back together now. And pretty stoked to take it off-roading, I guess. It's got a decent amount of clearance, so it's already got a rear diff brace cover thing, so that's sweet. Yeah. So sorry I didn't get much footage, but we were just working. It's really cold out, but yeah. So that's the new WRX makeover. Alright guys, I just brought this back in. I totally forgot that I was going to record this morning. I've already done all I was going to do. What I did basically is I reconnected the sway bar because the angles were a lot better now for whatever reason, so I guess it must have settled a little bit. I trimmed the splash guards. There was all this mess that I had zip tied here. I just cut it all out. So now there's not a lot of stuff going on here. Same thing on this side, just cut it all out. And then what I did was, I zip tied this up so the fender liner is nice and far away from the tire. So the sway bar's attached. This is all cut away. I reorganized the trunk because we didn't do that yesterday, because we were just running late on time. So that's all cleaned up. And basically it's good to go now. And yeah, this is what it sounds like at idle. All it is a catback street pipe. Sounds pretty good. Looks pretty gnarly. That's my turbo timer.